January 24, 2026, at 8:30 p.m. just before the snowstorm in New York City that should bring maybe 12 or more inches of snow and ice. And this is something very important that I do almost every snowstorm, especially bigger ones. I have a rope here. I tied the gate. Tie it back. The wind can't blow it closed. This is very important in a snowstorm, especially an ice snowstorm and a big snowstorm, because you don't want the latch to freeze in the closed position, and the snow gets higher than the bottom of the gate. You won't be able to move it. You could be stuck inside in an emergency you couldn't even get out, or even just a regular thing you couldn't get out. So that's what we do here.